Hi, my name is Musugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. So, about 2 weeks ago or so, I got a bundle of courses that I want to use to improve myself because I do that from time to time, to be consistent with what is happening in the market, to keep myself up to date. So, I got this bundle of courses, but you know, um, in the bundle, I find one quite fascinating, and I decided to explore it further. And what I discovered actually blew me away. Actually, it's a program that I've been seeing and been overlooking it for some time. And I have some of my friends who also have been talking about it, but I never really took it serious. So I decided to give it a trial, and boom, it was just what I've been missing. So I'm gonna show you that product now. It's called Samcart. Okay, it's called Samcart. So this is the specific one that I bought. All right. So actually, you might ask, what is Samcart and what can I use Samcart for? What can one use Samcart for? Anyway, Samcart is an e-commerce platform just like Shopify or Etsy or any other e-commerce platform. But the difference between Samcart and these other e-commerce platforms is that Samcart is not a multi-product store. It's just a one product focused store. And what can you sell on Samcart? You can actually sell digital products. You can also sell physical products. So digital products, we're talking about products like ebook, exclusive newsletter, online courses, your music monthly membership, subscriptions. For physical products, you can also sell wholesale products. You can also sell product that you created yourself. You can also, I don't know about drop shipping though, but I think some people are doing drop shipping on it, and that's just about that. Then again, you can also use it for selling your services like consulting, like personal coaching, life coach. Present yourself as a life coach on the platform. Then you can also teach or even render counseling services. That is under services. But that is when we are going into the main program itself. So the one I got is a kind of special program, and I don't know the next time then I want to do something like that. But it's still on, and I'm going to show you exactly how it is. So this is the one I got. It says best way for creators to finally get traffic, build a huge audience, and sell their stuff without chasing attention, views, clicks, or being, trapped on the content hamster wheel. So I'm going to show you something real quick. Look at this place, from 0 to 100,000 on TikTok followers to 100,000 TikTok followers in 2.5 months. This one says 78,000 plus Instagram followers in 12 months. This one says 1.829768 YouTube subscribers. Okay, and these are happening real fast. Then 325,000 Facebook page followers. Number one ranked podcast in days. 10,000 blog readers per month. Surge of organic traffic without social media. That is, we are talking about SEO now. So I saw all of this and that's what got me fascinated, and I decided to try it. And then when I discovered, within the training, it's not just something I can explain to you here. It's better experienced than explained. So you can see other people here who are also using. Now look at the statistics here. 30,000 plus businesses powered. 342,000 plus pages launched, 9.7 million products sold, $2.2 billion plus processed through this platform. It takes only a monster platform to be able to do that. All right, so look at testimonies of people from 0 to 100k TikTok followers in 2.5 months. It's magic. So look at other people, look at just the things that we went through. So I want to show you quickly how these are testimonials of it. These are video testimonials. So I can even play some of them.
Hi guys, the Samcart Course Creation Challenge was the
So it's actually designed majorly for course creators, content creators. All right, so if you're looking for that system that will give you the opportunity to make 6 figures, that I think this is
great Samcart.
all right. So you can see other ones here. I don't want to waste so much time on this. This Pat Flynn here, and he's using it. I think some of you might know who he is. He's big in the industry, and he's here. He's using the platform. That should tell you a lot. With other people, Frank Khan and so many other great guys using this particular platform. Look at Amy Porterfield. She's here. She's also selling her courses here on Samcart. She is a user of Samcart. She's a user of the platform. I can go on and on and on and on, and you see how much people are raising from this particular system here. So as at now, total value is about $2,064, okay, to get everything here. But for today, you are getting access for $10. So I don't know how long this is going to stay. You might want to take advantage of it before it goes off. And there are benefits of belonging in this community. It's crazy. I can't tell you how my marketing have somehow improved over the few days that I've been with these people. So look at this is my course, this access to what I bought, okay, and they keep updating this every now and then. This access to what I bought, they keep updating it from time to time. So once you're a member, this one-time access that I got, it's not like renewal stuff. I can only upgrade from this one to another one if I want. Otherwise, I can just be comfortable with where I am. This for top sellers and all the rest. So if you think this is something that you might want to do, if I want to play this now, I'll just hit continue and start watching. So this is my course here. I have 25 lessons here, and I can also make download. So if you think this is something that you might want to start, you will need to come to this place and read more about what I'm talking about and fill this form for me. Okay, so in this video that you are watching now, I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link that will lead you to this place so you can get more information on this and fill this form so you can get started with your journey. And actually, I'm linking you to a page where you'll be attending seminar with Samcart, if that is okay by you, so that you will learn more before you can say, okay, yeah, this is something I want to take a decision on, or maybe something you will have to leave for more comfort, for convenient time. All right, so but you can also come to my shop if you think it's something you want to get fast. You can just come to my shop, TheOnlineMillionaire.com.ng/shop, and just scroll down. You see courses here, and you see Samcart. So once you tap on this, the way I'm tapping on it now, it will just take you to that page where you just go fill in this form for me and get into the Samcart free webinar, okay, where you get to learn more about the platform. And that's all for now. Till I come your way again, my name remains Musuguchku Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Bye.